I'm almost at my alt and I need to steal
Natin
your biggest
yung
W. So I can get my alt right now.
Lalagyan na natin yung giniling na manok. Lalagyan natin ng hipon. Tapos ng hipon, lagyan natin yung patatas na kinayod, yung ginadyad. Tapos, lagyan natin ng carrots na ginadyad din. Pasensya na ha, Bisaya tayo, Bisaya. Tapos, lagyan ng kinchay, dahon sibuyas. Tapos, lagyan natin ng pamintang
But it's too slow. It's too slow to rise up.
durog. Tapos, lagyan natin ng
Oh wait, these restore so many.
powder na bawang. At lagyan natin ng powder na
I think we're just gonna trick me, bro.
sibuyas. At lagyan natin ng seasoning.
There we go. Wait, almost.
Pagkatapos, gatyaran natin ng chicken cube. Lagyan natin ng chicken cube. Ngayon, nasa inyo yan kung gusto nyo lagyan o hindi. Basta ako naglalagay ako sa Shanghai ko ng chicken cubes.
What did you do to me?
Tapos, lalagyan ko ng
I'm running too fast. I'm running too fast.
sesame oil. Tansyahan lang, tansyahan.
I cannot even catch it.
Dahil pang ano lang naman to, pang sariling pagkain, baon ng mga apo ko.
Oh no, he's dashing.
Liquid seasoning. Tapos, lagyan natin ng soy sauce na Kikkoman. At lalagyan natin ng konting
GG's.
brown sugar.
No, because I didn't know that. Bro, I didn't say that the first time.
Tapos, lalagyan ko ng konting
But what? Bro, the pro players will be mad at it. Bro, why do you want to kill me?
wala
Why
na.
I mean that they killed you? Bro, you missed the attack. I don't know because I used this character. And it's literally buggy.
Lalagyan ko ng konting
What?
paprika. Konti lang.
Let's see.
At lalagyan ko na siya ng
It's the same thing. What ring?
Ngayon, lamlamasin ko na siya. Kakamayin ko na siya. Hanggang mahalo-halo na sila.
What am I gonna do? Finally, you get me. Finally, you get me because I want to be beaten.
Ayan na siya. Namay ko na kasi pang sarili lang naman namin itong pagkain.
Remember the large heat box of refrigerator.
Pambaon lang to ng mga apo ko. Kaya ako gumagawa.
I hate using.
Lumpiang Shanghai na may hipon. Dagdagan pa natin. Malapot. Malabnaw.
Bro, the large heat box is better. I had to use a new method to kill you.
Tinatansya ko lang ito. Tinatansya.
First, I had to distract you. But I know how to distract. Probably just gonna lock in.